ये बहुत ये शुभारंभ हो रहा है कि इतने साल 15 साल तक एक पार्टी का गवर्नमेंट था, विपक्ष का कोई सांसद विधायक किसी को बोलते ही नहीं, तो ये लोकतंत्र नहीं था। ये लोकतंत्र शुरुआत हुआ अच्छा ढंग से हुआ, तो इसलिए बहुत महत्वपूर्ण ये बैठक है।
सर, मालदा में डिटेंशन सेंटर तैयार किया गया है, माइग्रेंट जो बाहर के आ रहे हैं उनको रोकने के लिए, क्या कहेंगे?
ये होना चाहिए, सभी देश के जो सिटीजन उनके ही देश में रहना चाहिए। अगर कोई बाहर वाला रह सकते तो परमिशन से कितने दिन रह सकते, वीसा लेकर रह सकते, लेकिन ये कोई होटल नहीं है राम नाम का, जो खुश आए जो खुश रहे, देश का खतरनाक स्थिति पैदा करे, देश दखलदारी करे, ये नहीं चलेगा।
अभिषेक बनर्जी के घर पे कल पुलिस पहुंची थी, क्या बोलेंगे?
वो बहुत काम किया, जो काटमानी लिया, बहुत जिसको कुछ पास पैसा नहीं था वो आज हजार करोड़ का पैसा हुआ, कैसे हुआ, तो उनका तो पाप भुगतना पड़ेगा ही।
It is very unfortunate that TMC councillors, who have been there in position in the last 15 years, suddenly when BJP government has come, they are either resigning or they are not coming to office. Now, it only shows their irresponsibility and their selfish nature. That all these 15 years, they had they did, and they had the opportunity to steal and loot the people of Bengal. They did it. And now they are thinking and they are understanding and they are very much sure that after our government has come, Mr. Shubhendu Adhikari's government is in place, they will not be able to steal much. But it only shows their irresponsibility. Another 12-15 days left for monsoon. And right now these councillors are resigning or not coming. But we are very determined to give services to our people. Nobody is indispensable. My team is there, government's team is there, our field workers are there. We have done a few meetings. From 1st of June I'm going to North Bengal to be on the ground and look into these black spots, which are the problematic areas. And I'm sure we are going to make a difference. Maybe not complete 100%, but definitely we'll try so that the people of Bengal don't suffer during monsoon.
One last question is that 2025, an order was issued by the MHA to throughout the states in the country, except West Bengal, everybody have implemented opening a holding center in every district. After the BJP government, your government have come into power, an order was issued to all the DMs and SPs open a holding center so that those who will be illegal immigrants, Bangladeshis, Rohingyas, they will be put there, they will be kept into shelter before deport. How do you see to it?
All these 15 years, there was no international fencing. Even after repeated requests from the Ministry of Home Affairs and from BJP, our previous government didn't pay heed to it.
Correct.
And it is very clear why they didn't pay heed, because these Rohingyas, these Bangladeshi infiltrators were their vote bank. So if they don't want them to stop, they should come. They always wanted that they should come to Bengal and be TMC's vote bank. It is very natural that these holding centers will not be formed because they don't acknowledge that infiltrators and Rohingyas should be thrown out of the country. And so now within 15 days that we have come to power, land has been given to the BSF, work has started for international fencing, and holding centers will also be formed where these people who are being detected, deleted and deported, before being deported they will be held there and then given to Bangladesh, Border Security Force and Bangladesh.
And what all things you are stretching into this administrative meeting? Probably the coordination with the MLAs and the...
Last two meetings we had in North Bengal and in Durgapur, which is the Arbongo zone, where Honorable Chief Minister in detail, he touched every point. And the police is there, the administration, the DM is there, ADM is there, and the MLAs are there, and also BJP MPs are there. So every point, and this, many subjects have been touched. But the main point is, Honorable Chief Minister says that we have to work as a team. We are there for the development of the people of Bengal. And even if you are from TMC or from any other party, you have to be in this stride.
Correct.
Be part of this development process. And if you try to stop it or create any hindrance, you will be thrown out. So every opposition MLA from any other party also have been called. We haven't been called all these 15 years. Never we were called in these kind of prashashanik meetings or in religious festivals. Never we had been called. So this is a very welcome change and a positive change that our Honourable Chief Minister has brought in.